This time, ma'am, I am concerned about your ability to operate a vehicle safely. If you look at your medication bottle, it says do not operate machinery.
No.
On February 20, 2024, in Port Charlotte, Florida, an incident occurred resulting in an arrest for driving under the influence and child neglect. This case provides a critical examination of Fourth Amendment detentions, statutory child welfare mandates, and prescription drug impairment.
Your call has been updated.
Do you have another unit in that, please? Hello! Hope to go with the Sheriff's Office Traffic Safety Team. Reason I'm stopped at the Infinity is we had a call about your vehicle. They were concerned about your ability to operate a vehicle. Is everything okay? Right. Have you had anything, alcohol or anything to drink today? All right. Are you on any medications prescribed by a doctor?
No, sir. Well, anxiety.
Okay. What?
Yeah.
How much have you had today?
My anxiety med?
We're right in the middle of the pharmacy.
It's fine.
Yes.
It's fine. Last night.
Okay. All right. What were you doing up at Charlie's Pub?
I stopped because I had to use the restroom.
Okay. Okay. Well, they're the ones that called. They were concerned about you being able to drive safely. All right. So I have another vehicle coming. How come you didn't, when I got out of the car to walk up to you, you didn't, you just took off on the access right there? Or did you not even see me?
No, I stopped as soon as I saw you.
No. No, I was behind you when you were at the stop sign. I was walking up to your car and you took off. Okay.
I'm sorry.
All right. Well, like I said, right now I'm just waiting. How old is the little baby?
She's 2 and he's 7 months.
Oh, okay.
I took her.
Took her in the pub?
Yeah, I just had shoes.
You didn't take him?
No.
You left him in the car?
I left vehicle running. I just had to pee.
Okay. Right, I'm going to get my form. Can you get her out real quick? Sure. 313's out with me. I'm going to do field sobriety, but she's got 2 babies in the car too, so I'll wait for a third to get here to watch them while I do her. At this time, ma'am, I am concerned about your ability to operate a vehicle safely. I'm seeing a couple of clues and indicators that believe me to be that you may not be able to operate it safely. That I'm going to ask you to submit to field sobriety to make sure you're able to operate your Infinity safely today, okay? Will you do the exercises I'm going to ask of you?
I will.
All right. All right, the first thing I'm going to do, Miss Patton, is I'm going to check your eyes. All right? So what I want you to do is stand with your feet together, arms at your side. You see that pen? I need you to focus on that pen. When I move it, I'm going to move it in a left to right fashion. You're going to follow with your eyes and your eyes only, keeping your head completely straight. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you have any questions?
No, I do not.
All right. All right, miss, this time we're going to go upwards. Same thing, just your eyes, head straight, okay?
Yes, sir.
Relax for a moment. All right, this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around your face in a circle twice. You're going to follow it with your eyes only. After I make that second turn, I'm going to bring it in close to your nose. I'm not going to touch your nose, it'll be very close.
Yes, sir.
As mine, what I'm trying to do is get your eyes to cross.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, Miss Patton. This white line that you're standing on, do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Do you consider it a fairly straight line?
I do, sir.
Is it free of any debris that could cause you to trip?
No, sir.
It's not what's on it that could cause you to trip?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, I asked, is it free of any debris?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. I see that you're wearing sandals.
Sir.
Would you like to take those off and do it barefoot, or are you comfortable with your sandals?
I'm comfortable with my
right.
sandals, sir.
All right, what I'm going to do, ma'am, is this time I want you to put your left foot directly on the line. Take your right foot, place it directly in front of left like mine, arms at your side. Stay in that position. Do not start until I tell you to begin.
Sir.
When I tell you to begin, though, Miss Patton, you're going to take a series of steps, counting your steps out loud like such.
There is
1, 2, 3. You're going to go all the way to 9. Upon reaching 9, you're going to leave that lead foot in place. You're going to take that back foot. You'll step out, make a series of steps, turning all the way around. You're then going to return back down the line another 9 steps like such. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and assume the position. Right foot in front of left. All right, nope, don't start yet. Wait till I tell you to start. So left foot on the line, right foot in front of left, touching heel to toe. Right foot in front of left. Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready. I'm sorry. Yes, sir, I am ready.
All right, put your right foot in front of left. That's the starting position. Now begin.
Yes, sir.
Miss Patton, do you remember the instructions?
One in front of the other for nine
Yep.
steps?
And then turn and go back 9, right?
Okay.
How many steps did you take?
I didn't count. I'm
Okay.
sorry. Do you want me to start again?
No, just continue back the other way. Come back there. How many steps was that?
Honestly, I guess it's back.
Okay. All right.
I can do it again.
No, we're fine. Do you have a stopwatch for me in a second?
Yeah, I can here.
Just wait right here on this line for me.
Yes, sir.
We got 2 more exercises to do.
Sir.
Oh, no, I'll just have you keep the time. It's fine.
Okay, yeah, let me just get it ready.
All right. The next exercise is called the one-leg stand.
Sir.
Okay. When I tell you to, you're going to take the foot of your choice and you're going to raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground.
Sir.
It's going to look like this. Your foot will be parallel to the ground, your arms will be straight, your legs will both be straight. 6 inches is like a Coke can. Think about resting your foot on top of a Coke can.
Sir.
You're going to count out loud in the manner of such. 1001, 1002, 1003. You're going to continue to count until I say stop.
Got it.
I'm not going to tell you how long I'm going to have you do it for, but I will tell you that I'm about to do it longer than I'm going to have you do it.
Sir.
If at any time you lose your balance or anything like that and have to put your foot down, regain your composure, pick that foot back up,
Sir.
and continue counting where you left off.
Sir.
So if you have to put it down on a 5, when you pick it back up, make sure we start counting again at 6.
Sir.
All right. Again, both legs are to remain straight. Foot is parallel to the ground, 6 inches off the ground. Arms are at your side. You're looking at your foot and you're counting out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on.
Sir.
Any questions on what I'm asking you to do?
No, sir.
Do you have what foot do you want to stand on and what foot do you want to
I'm
raise?
going to stand on this, but can you block the wind? It's actually very
It
strong
is
right
windy.
now.
Like I said, I did just do it, but what I can do, I can stand to the side, but what I need you to do is
I have no problem standing here. I just want you to
yeah,
block it.
no. Do you have any physical handicaps or ailments that keeps you from doing this?
No, sir.
All right. So you're going to stand on your left and raise your right.
Sir.
All right. Tell me when you're ready.
Ready?
Begin. And you can stop. All right. Miss Patton, the last exercise is called the finger to nose.
Sure.
So what I need you to do is take both your fingers like this, index fingers. Now put them at your side, palms forward like mine. Remain in that position until I tell you to start. When I tell you, let's switch sides so the sun's not in your eyes.
Under the Fourth Amendment, law enforcement may execute a Terry stop predicated on reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Verified citizen informant tips regarding erratic or impaired behavior provide sufficient constitutional grounds to initiate these investigatory detentions. The legal frameworks around child welfare in this jurisdiction is governed strictly by Florida Statute Section 82703. Statute defines criminal child neglect as a caregiver's failure to provide necessary supervision or protection from foreseeable risks. Leaving a minor unattended in an active motor vehicle satisfies this statutory definition, constituting gross negligence and criminal liability. The context of impaired driving investigations, standardized field sobriety tests are legally recognized mechanisms to gauge impairment. Documented failure to follow standardized physical instructions elevates the encounter from reasonable suspicion to establish probable cause.
I'd rather have the sun in my eyes. When I tell you to start, you're going to have your head tilted back and your eyes shut. My eyes are staying open to watch you, but your eyes will be shut, okay?
Yes,
if
sir.
I say left, I'm going to call out a series of lefts or rights.
Sir.
If I say left, it's straight up, tip of the nose, tip of the finger, and right back down to your side.
Sir.
I will not remind you to put it down.
Sir.
If I say right, it'll be the exact same. Straight up, tip of nose, tip of finger, and right back down to your side.
Sir.
So we're clear, that's the tip of the finger. Not
Yes.
the nail, not the pad, not the sides.
Yes, sir.
If this is your nose and that's that's the bridge, and those are your nostrils, it's literally the tip to tip. So it's like this. Nope, like this. Straight on, and
So
then right down.
this.
This. Just
This.
like that. Yes,
So
ma'am.
turn it around to
Yep, to your nose and right back
Sir.
down to your side.
Sir.
All right, Miss Patton, head back. Eyes shut. Left. Right. Remember the instructions. Remember the instructions.
This.
You gotta put your hand down.
Oh, sir. Sorry, sir.
Left. Right. Right. Left. All right. I got one last exercise. It's a balance exercise.
Sir.
Face that stop sign real quick. I'm going to explain how to balance for you real quick in a minute. Left him in the jail. Miss Amanda, at this time you're under arrest for DUI. Do you have somebody that can come get the children? Who can come get the children? All right, we need to call him. I don't want to have DCF have to come out here for him. What's your husband's phone number?
Can you tell me
gonna go over
why
this one.
I'm being cuffed?
You're being arrested for DUI. Driving under the influence. And that influence encompasses alcohol and medications. You're being arrested because you're not able to drive that vehicle safely. The clues and indicators you provided me during field sobriety are enough to affect the arrest on you. So we're going to go to my car. Nothing on you that's going to get you in trouble at the jail, drugs,
No.
weapons, or anything. Okay. Is there anything in the vehicle that's going to get you in trouble? Drugs, marijuana, weapons, anything? Hey, it's questions I have to ask.
I said no.
I know, and I'm just saying, it's just questions we have to ask. What's your husband's name?
Charles.
Charles.
You want to tell me what I failed?
It's not pass or fail, but I'll tell you that you gave me enough clues and indicators to arrest you.
Oh, did I?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Does my anxiety medicine that I didn't tell you about have anything to do with this?
Absolutely.
My steroids?
Absolutely.
All right.
If you look at your medication bottle, it says do not operate machinery.
No, and
It absolutely.
that I didn't tell you about.
Okay. It could be. I'm not sure what that is, but the anxiety medications, absolutely, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. Okay. She'll be right back up. You gotta take a seat, Amanda. He said the husband. Traffic fire. So that should be the husband. We got a 2-year-old and an infant in the car. We need them to come out here. Do you want to I'm going to start typing something real quick. Do you want to ask her if there's a parent, a grandparent?
Yeah.
We'll get anybody.
Yeah.
At this point, any relative is better than DCF.
Yeah, that's your unicorn. What's its name? Is that your brother? He's crying. What's your brother's name? What happened? A boo-boo? In my hair? Yeah, I got a couple of those. What you watching? Sing? He's crying. How old are you? Uh-oh. Are you watching Sing? It's my favorite movie. Yeah, he's crying. What's his name? What is it? Are you trying to give me your unicorn? This is your unicorn, though. Do you want him? You want me to have him? Yeah? What's its name? Yeah. What's on your feet? You don't know? Yeah. That's my radio, so that's how I talk to people. That's how I talk to my coworkers. Yeah, pretty eyes. They're blue like mine. It's talking, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go make sure your brother's okay, alright? I'll be right over there though, okay? I'm not gonna leave. I'm just gonna walk around to go over there, okay? I'll be right back. Hi, buddy. Hi. 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 Yes, Yes, I'm still here currently with them. Me and another deputy are.
Hi, is this Charles? Charles, this is Corporal Conant from the Sheriff's Office. I need you to come to Harbor and 41, where the pharmacy is, and pick up your children. Your wife's been arrested for DUI, and I have the children, the 2-year-old and the infant in the Infinity, and I need them picked up. 41 in Harbor and Port Charlotte. Are you familiar with Port Charlotte any? Yep, and it'll be there's a 7-Eleven on one corner, and across the street from the 7-Eleven there's a Midway pharmacy. We're in the pharmacy parking lot.
This probable cause threshold is the strict constitutional requirement for executing a lawful warrantless arrest. A pervasive and dangerous legal misconceptions exists regarding the operation of motor vehicles while utilizing legally obtained prescriptions. Florida Statute Section 316193 explicitly criminalizes driving under the influence of any chemical or controlled substance. A valid medical prescription for controlled substances, such as anxiolytics or sedatives, does not grant legal immunity from DUI charges. The statutory threshold focuses entirely on whether a subject's normal faculties are impaired, rendering the legality of the substance irrelevant. From a jurisprudential standpoint, the primary legal lesson is that authorization to possess a drug does not equate to authorization to operate machinery under its influence. Furthermore, criminal liability compounds exponentially when impairment actively endangers dependents, elevating standard misdemeanor offenses directly to felony thresholds. Ignorance of the law, specifically regarding the side effects of prescribed medication, is not a recognized legal defense in criminal court proceedings.